Hi everyone. In this video, I'll compare Crypto.com and Trust Wallet so you can decide which one works best for you. Let's get started. First, let's talk about Crypto.com. It offers a wide range of services, including crypto trading, staking, a credit card, and even a Visa debit card. It's perfect for beginners with its user-friendly interface and a variety of features. You can trade over 250 cryptocurrencies and enjoy a comprehensive mobile app. On the other hand, Trust Wallet is a decentralized wallet, which means it gives you full control over your private keys. It supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies, and you can use it to store, send, and receive crypto assets securely. Trust Wallet is great for those who prefer a non-custodial wallet. While Crypto.com is more for active trading and using crypto in daily life, Trust Wallet is focused on secure, self-custodial storage of your crypto assets. If you're looking for a platform that combines trading and a wallet, Crypto.com might be the better choice. But if security and control over your private keys are your top priorities, Trust Wallet is the way to go. And that's it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.